Racing, race number 8. Larga! We've got a speed scramble at the start of the race. Capricciosa shows alertness at the start, and in second by the railway Venus Tigades. Impossible also showing speed. In the middle we have Bootlegs, then comes Be My Baby alongside Macalelon, Barkadahan, Memory of Fire, Alice's Choice, then down on the inside is Laika in Manila. Also moving up now is entry number 3, and that is Dugos Fantasy. As they wheel down the back, Capricciosa, the early leader by about a length and a half. Bootlegs is right behind in second, and in third Venus Tigades. Impossible is running in fourth. Then down on the inside fifth we have Be My Baby, another 5 lengths back in sixth Macalelon. Next in line Barkadahan, 1 moving up on the inside sa Myray, 3 wide Dugos Fantasy, then Laika in Manila. Memory of Fire comes next, Run Like the Wind, then Alice's Choice is running at the tail of the field inside the last 500. Bootlegs takes the lead. Capricciosa draws back in second, getting closer now in third. Trying is Be My Baby and Impossible. 3 and 50 to travel. Bootlegs by about a length and a half. Capricciosa still in second, and in third still is a Be My Baby. Macalelon in Impossible. Bootlegs by about 2. Capricciosa remains in second, and Be My Baby. And finally Bootlegs, Capricciosa, Macalelon, then comes Be My Baby, Myray, and Impossible.